Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve language retention with Anki, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Anki and create a new deck. Select the Create Deck option from the main menu. Name your deck appropriately for the language you are studying. Click on your new deck to open it. Select Add to create your first flashcard. Type the word or phrase you want to learn in the front field. In the back field, provide the translation or definition. You can also add images or audio for better retention. Click Add again to save your flashcard. Continue adding cards until you have a substantial set. To review your cards, go back to the main menu and click on your deck. Select the Study Now button to start your review session. Use the Again, Hard, Good, and Easy buttons to rate your recall. These ratings help Anki schedule your cards effectively. Integrate new cards into your sessions regularly. Aim to add a few new cards each day to maintain a steady learning pace. Adjust the number of new cards in the settings if necessary. Use the Browse feature to review and edit existing cards. Focus on improving your weaker areas by adjusting card content. Consider using tags to categorize cards by themes or topics. Review your cards daily for optimal retention. Take advantage of Anki's spaced repetition algorithm for efficient learning. Monitor your progress through the statistics available in the app. Experiment with different types of cards to find what works best for you. Stay consistent and make Anki a part of your daily routine. By following these steps, you can significantly improve your language retention using Anki. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.